All right, guys, what's up, man? Market update late at night. About 1 in the morning, I'm kind of just chilling, watching the market to see how it goes. And yeah, Vine was the biggest piece of fucking shit today. It's not a coin you trade. $152 million in this one single 2 hour spike upside. Right after that, it drops 30%. Shit candle. And then there's Mu that's actually moving up today, which is the only coin going up, right? Literally the only coin. Other than that, guys, like Bitcoin got fucking raped. I'm sorry if that word offends anybody, but I don't know what else to say, right? Like Bitcoin got fucking raped, man. Like it got destroyed, right? I'm not trying to be rude, but that's what happened. All the bulls got fucking destroyed. 64 a day, lower high pattern with a one of the biggest bull traps that you can imagine. Like it's so wild. What a red day in the market. The total one market cap gets obliterated in a bear flag. Like, did you guys see what I wrote? Just watch this. People always try to people take me sarcastically, but you shouldn't. You know what I mean? Like, look at this post of mine. It's actually hilarious. I'm like, don't worry, everyone. Super bullish pattern for BTC we have right now. I'm like showing this bullish bearish flag. I'm showing a bearish flag. I'm showing an example of a bearish flag. Another example of a bearish flag. Another example of a bearish flag. I mean, what does that look like to you guys? Like, you know what I mean? Bitcoin just literally made a fucking huge bearish flag and then it dropped to the downside. This is literally bear market vibes, like crazy. You want to see where else you can see that? Like I show you guys. Like you can see it in bear markets like this. You know, like look at that. Like come on, man. Like you fucking people can't be that retarded. Like guys, I don't know what else to say, but like this doesn't look good right now. Like it doesn't look good. How is that any different than what I just showed you right here? How the fuck is that any different? I don't understand how people can be delusional right now and logging something like what the that is ridiculous how bearish we are right now. So because of that, like there's no way I'm going to put any money into holding anything long term. I'm gonna only day trade. Only day trading is where you can actually make money, in my opinion, right now. Because, like I said yesterday in the video, if you guys remember, or 2 days ago, that we're probably gonna not do that well. Like maybe I said maybe we'd get to like 80 or sorry 98, 100K, but we didn't even get there. Instead, we bull trapped the hardest way we can imagine. Like the only like look what's happening right now. Okay, guys, check this out. We're literally like this is the March 14th high. March 14th is the most important date. The reason for that is because that's when Bitcoin first made the new all-time high, right? The all-time high on March 14th last year. I'm talking about last year. So then we break above it. But look at the total one market cap. It's just literally falling back below it right now. The total two market cap is also like it's getting back. Look at that. Do you guys see this higher low pattern that's formed over a year? Well, look what happened. We're right there back exactly where we are on the total two market cap. The total two market cap is the market cap that counts all of crypto except for Bitcoin. So if you look at right now, like the market cap of that, we're in a really bad area. Total three market cap is just as bad, where it made that channel, then it broke down. And the total three market cap is the market cap of all of crypto except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And now we're challenging that March 14th low, right? So now we're going to probably end up hitting here for the total three market cap. Now, I don't know fucking anything from dick from ass. Like, I can't tell the difference if we're going to continue forward or if we're going to drop, right? I don't know. Nobody knows. If anybody's a moon boy, they're just being a moon boy. They don't know fuck all. I'm not a moon boy, and I'm just bearish because I see all of the signs in front of me. And I get so much fucking hate on Twitter, on YouTube, like everywhere, man. People just hate on me. They hate on me because I talk about, like, I'm like, in a way I'm kind of an asshole the way I speak. I get that, right? But I get that sometimes it's brought upon me because of the way I speak and convey myself. But hey, man, like, aside from, maybe being an asshole online sometimes from the way I convey myself and portray myself and communicate, it doesn't change the fact that we have so many bearish signs that are just screaming out right now that the bull market is over. BlackRock is not your friend. Vanguard is not your friend. If you actually believe that their goal is to bring Bitcoin to the moon right now, I don't know how delusional you can be. Their goal is to basically make it seem like that, right? They want you to believe that Bitcoin's going to go to the moon, so you buy as much as you possibly can. And then they'll dump fucking everything on you. They'll dump all of their holdings on you just so they can buy back cheaper. Okay, guys, these institutions are not your friend. The strategic reserve is not your friend. Everything is there in place to take advantage of how naive newbies are. Okay, because of that, like, you gotta be smarter than the average fucking idiot. And understand that these banks, guys, they're not your friends. They're here to liquidate you. You guys are the ones that are gonna lose everything to contribute to their strategic reserve. You guys are the ones that are expected to lose everything to contribute to the holdings of people like Michael Saylor or Vanguard or everything else, okay? So please approach everything with caution. I'm telling you that these guys are not your friends. And all these people that are like super bullish right now, can you imagine how many times they've called for one last dip? And the one last dip ended up becoming 12, 13, 14, 15 dips. All these fucking idiots online, I'm not going to name them to start a war, but like they're a bunch of people that have too many fucking followers that are so damn bullish that they can't even, that they use you guys, like they shill their shit coins and then people buy them with their millions of followers. Like, man, guys, like, you got to worry about yourself. Okay, I'm not saying to sell everything in your portfolio. Don't take that the wrong way. I'm not saying that we're going to get to 10K. Okay, I'm not saying that I'm right and you're wrong. I'm just saying that you need to be extra careful about how the market is trending right now and just look at the signs. Look at the paintings on the wall. You know what I mean? Like, look at the proof in front of you. Okay, like, you cannot be in denial about what's going on. You got to actually be susceptible and willing to see the signs and dangers in front of you. Otherwise, it can be disastrous. Many people that I know, okay, I know very well, I'm talking about the top crypto influencers. These guys are all de-risking. They're shedding their positions by more than half. They're not DCing in any way at all right now because they're terrified about how the market is. But they're still going to pretend that they're bullish. You know why? Because it makes them money. It makes them money. People buy their content. People follow them. They monetize themselves to make money through you guys. The only thing that I care about is day trading. I believe that day trading is the only way to actually make reasonable amounts of money in this market, okay? And I'm doing very well. In March, I'm up $30,000 day trading. It's not a lot, but for a pretty bad month, it's okay, right? After Trump got elected, I was up $441,000, okay? In just a few days. Okay, like here's the Trump bull market. I was up, $451,000 day trading. My biggest day was $123,000. Okay, and my average was $11,300 a day for 40 days until we hit that top. That is ridiculous. So I believe that day trading, okay, it's the only way for you to get ahead in this kind of market. Imagine trying to invest in a bear market from the top. You can DCA all you want in the bear market, but at the end of the day, you're just going to lose unless you DCA near the bottom, right? The only way to make money in a bear market or a bad market is to short, right? And if you're investing right now, nobody's making money. That's why my platinum tier live trading group where I stream my desktop, that's why I take that very seriously. Every time I make a trade, everybody can see every single trade that I take. I narrate the trade. I educate every single person on the positions I'm in. I talk about the risk management side as well. I talk about the risk, the exposure involved, and I run my platinum tier group extremely well. There's a maximum of 50 people that can join it. There's actually 8 slots left, and it's only going for a 6-month slot. Before, I was charging people $5,000. Now, you might think that that's a lot of money. And how the fuck would this guy charge 5K? You got to remember that I've been in the game for 10 years, guys. I'm also worth it in terms of the experience I provide and the education I provide and your ability to also follow all of my trades. I'm for sure in the top 1% of day traders out there. And I'm not saying that to be cocky. And as much as, like I know myself very well, I understand the level that I trade at and my participation level in crypto as well, right? So if you want to trade with one of the top tier traders, you're going to pay the price for it. You know what I mean? Not only that, it's going to highly beneficial. It's going to be, sorry, excuse me. It's going to be highly beneficial for you. You will benefit from it. Spend a few months with me live trading. You will learn things that you didn't even know that you knew or were possible. A lot of people in the group are highly profitable right now. So before it was 3 months for 5K, but I decided to double it from 3 months to 6 months. And I'm also allowing people to pay in bi-monthly payments. So instead of paying for 5K at once, you're basically paying for it in divided by 3. So about $1,700 every 2 months. There's 8 slots left, guys. Come join me. I promise you that 1 month with me, man, you're going to be like, holy fuck, this is a different level. Okay, guys, there are levels, man. There are levels in life. There are levels in trading. You spend a month or 2 with me, you're going to understand the level that I'm at and the level that people are not at. And you're going to get the level that you want to be at. Okay, guys? So that's why I only day trade right now. There's no point of depending on the institutions or depending on, like a better market. You are not in control when you invest right now because all these institutions with billions and trillions of dollars are the ones in control. The only time that you actually have control over your profits and your loss is when you day trade, because that is directly proportional to the skills that you have developed and the skills that you have earned. If you have put in the time, if you have put in the grind to learn how to day trade, you can go sip on a fucking Mai Tai at a beach anywhere you want in the world, and you're not going to have to depend on Joe Blows like me or the institutions. That's why when you learn my strategies, I promise you, they are one of the most refined strategies in the world. Now, I'm not saying all this to try to get you guys to join my group or anything like that. Fuck that. I do well by myself. I just charge this to compensate for my time, like how anyone else would that is in my position, right? I just want you guys to understand that there are different ways to extract profits from the market. And because of that, you got to understand that day trading, man, it's one of those things that's never going to die. You can do it in any single market without having to depend on good days from institutions or from rallies going up. You can short the fuck out of anything. In fact, I hope that we have a bear market sometimes because I'll be making money more than anybody you can imagine versus the people that are just trying to long. So fuck that, guys. The market is looking atrocious right now. We are at $82 fucking thousand, and we are dropping parabolically to the downside. And I have been bearish for how long now? And how many people have made fun of me and shit on me? You know why they shit on me? It's because they cannot handle a fucking bearish market. But guys like me, we're hardened, man. We understand that in any market, we can profit. We don't give a fuck if the market's going down. I sold everything a long time ago, and here I am just day trading and making a fuck ton of paper. Today, I didn't trade anything, right? But every single day, man, I'm making bank day trading, guys. Like for example, where's my P&L for yesterday? Yesterday, I was up $4,500 day trading, man. That's fucking crazy. And that's a shitty day for me. I'm telling you, you guys got to improve your skills as a day trader. Because if you don't, and if the bear market does come, you're just going to be sitting there twiddling your thumbs, doing nothing. Look at this volatile market moving to the downside. Do you really want to be one of those people that are just investing and DCing, hoping for better days while the market drops to the downside, but and then it never recovers for like years? So why do that? Why take on that stress every single night, going to bed, wondering how your portfolio is doing, checking your portfolio on your phone every single night in the middle of the night, waking up, automatically grabbing your phone, checking it instinctively, feeling fucking stress in the middle of the night. You wake up, your portfolio's down a few more percent, 5, 10% every fucking day. That stress is not worth it, guys. Just think about my stress though. There's none. I wake up very refreshed. I day trade. I scan the market. I day trade. I'm done the day. I'm up 5 to 10,000 a day. And then I just turn off my computer and I go to sleep. I don't even check the market while I'm sleeping. Fuck the market. Who cares? Day trading, it doesn't affect you when you're sleeping. There's no positions open. It's like, I try to give such good advice, but there's just so many people out there that are going to be moon boys hoping to DCA. Can you imagine how many idiots ended up buying at the top? You know what BlackRock did? They were probably like, no, let's just pump up the market and bull trap everybody. And then after that, let's just bear trap everybody. Right? We're going to bull trap everybody. And now let's just push it to the downside even more. It's like, you are nothing but a pawn. You're just a tiny little shrimp. A tiny little fucking minnow in a sea full of giant whales and sharks that are controlling every little bit of what you can and cannot do. Do you want to be one of those people? Fuck that, man. I'm not going to become one of them. That's why I'm going to day trade. That's why I'm going to be one of the people that's going to kill it. And then people are going to hate on me forever because I'm bearish. But fuck that, guys. So right now, for Bitcoin, I don't know what to say. We broke out of the 64-day lower high pattern. And then we literally we bull trapped. And then now we're at $81,700. Everyone that has a portfolio is wrecked right now. But you know me? I'm not wrecked because I'm just sitting on the sidelines waiting for better days. And that's what smart money does, man. They don't buy in these. They're just trying to convince you, man. I'm telling you. Idiots are trying to convince you, the big banks, the big YouTubers, they're trying to convince you that you should be buying right now. When the truth is, you should be scared as fuck, or you should be de-risking. You should be shedding some of your positions, because every time there's been bullish fundamental news, it has been bearish actually. Every time we thought there was a breakout, we got bull trapped. Every time we thought we were going to make a higher high, we got bull trapped. So why are you believing these people? That's like dating a woman that you fucking madly fall in love with, and then she cheats on you. And then she says to you, I'll never fucking do it again, bae. I love you. I'm sorry. And then a few weeks later, she goes out and says, she's like, oh, I'm just with the girls. But she's smashing some fucking black dude, you know, like Jason Love from Pornhub or something, or from Blacked. And then she's fucking smashing him. But then she goes up to you. She's like, oh, I'm so fucking sorry. I won't do it again. I promise. You believe her. You believe her. You give her another chance. The next week, she's fucking some Peruvian dude, you know, or some Brazilian. And then she apologizes to you again, and then you believe her. And then the same cycle keeps going on and on and on and on. You know, this fucking bitch is like cheating on you left and right. And you keep believing her when she apologizes to you, saying it's the last time. What the fuck is wrong with you, fucking idiot? This is what Bitcoin is doing right now. This is what it's doing right now. But instead of you idiots being like, oh, maybe I should back away from this hoe, because she's a fucking hoe. She's fucking everything left and right. I should probably back off. You know what you do instead? You decide to fucking tie it down by buying her a ring and be like, oh, babe, I believe you. Here's a fucking ring. Do you want to marry me? Do you want to marry me? I fucking love you so much. You invest further. And that's my example of you idiots that are DCAing right now. If you're DCAing into this, how are you doing it? It has fucked you over every single time so far, like that bitch fucking everybody. What is wrong with you, man? You gotta find better ways to make money in this market, to be happy. Because DCAing is not working. Do you guys see what the fuck is going on? Like, man, I call this every single... I'm ending this video right now. It's too frustrating to make videos to try to convince people to be safe because most of the people are fucking idiots out there that just believe that the market's going to resume. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you guys, man? Every single metric that I didn't even get into right now is so bearish to the moon. Like, there's nothing bullish about the market. Anyways, for all the smart people out there that actually want to make money, okay, you're going to DM me. You're going to DM me if you want to join my elite tier private trading group. Sorry, my platinum tier private trading group, where I'm just going to smash it, man. I'm going to be one of the exceptions where people are actually making money. I'm going to make money when people are not making money. Why? Because I believe in my skills for day trading. And if you believe in my skills in day trading, DM me. The cost to join is $5K over 6 months. You can pay it every 2 months. I know it sounds like a lot to some people, and I know a lot of idiots out there are like, oh, why is this guy charging money if he's doing so well? The truth is, it's because I'm doing so well that I can. That's the fucking truth. Because of the experience that I've gained and my reputation and the amount of profits that I make, I can charge people to mentor them. Okay, that's the truth. And it's also really good for me because I get to teach and help 50 people. Okay, I want to make sure that these people have a huge head start in trading. Let's fucking get it, guys. DM me. I'll see you in my platinum tier live trading group. For the rest of you, enjoy DCAing and losing more money. For the rest of us, we're just going to kill it in my platinum tier trading group. So I'll see you there.